Hey guys, how are you? I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic is related to extensions. Extensions are everywhere. We can use in Windows, Mac, and everything. So today we check how we can use extensions in our Flutter, and how we can use it and how is it's helpful for us and speed up our coding practice. So let's get started. I create a dummy project. So as usual, I just select this main function and remove all the code, and I call here import material and call here void main, that is run app, and I create a stateless class, and here is home I use, and I can use like same name, and simply I created here home page, and here I simply import material. I just zoom it little bit and create a stateless class or page, and I call here. Okay, so it will suggest me. Okay, so this is our home page, and title is like primary. This is our theme, everything, and what is material app. You better understand if you are from if you follow my recent lectures. So we will continue our further coding. So as usual, we call here scaffold, and the app bar homepage, we can set here extension example. Extension depth. Okay, so this is in center. I just simply remove it, and I used here column to tell you how extensions are useful and that we used in our Flutter app, and I just add here right filter, and here I just write take two list styles, list style, and the title list style one. This is simply, and I set it const. Okay, so if it's semicolon and make it const. I already added a const. Okay, I remove this, that was extra. Const divider, and we have something other. So I set here and tile color. So I just simply give colors dot gray dot shade. I just highlight it will. I just go here. It will highlight the different shade, and my most favorite color blue gray. And here is might be also some shades, and I just gonna use shade 100. For that I just have to remove const. Power issues gonna fix. Okay, so okay, and after this I will show you how useful extensions, how we can use it in our real-time projects, and how it will going our fast development and during rebuilding our new application that is real-time very big. So first of all, we have to run this application, and I will run it, and I will show you how it's look like UI. While the installation, I just open Wither, to display you a view of the mobile, how it's look like in real device. I just close it and connect it to my device, minimize it. So as you see, it's going on installing my real device. So okay, just a little bit close it. Okay, so this is our application that he look like. Let's start. Okay, so this is look very ugly. Okay, we can make it more beautiful. I just simply wrap it side box. Sorry, padding. I just wrap it padding, and I just use this symmetric that it's horizontal. Then I can use. Okay, so it will give me error at count, and I think this is extra. Oh, what's wrong with this? Okay, this is going on close here, or that it is going to make issue. And here is column padding. Just up to another. Okay, what's wrong with you? Okay, for a symmetric. That was command of this. Okay, so I just simply Control S, save it, and it's look like this. And I just have to give, let's suppose, some space from top and bottom, and I make it a little bit more beautiful. I just use shape, and I just use const, and another property of that is stadium border. As you see, it's look like more beautiful. Also, I used here that is stadium border, and you see it's next I look like more beautiful. And if you want to give some attractive look, you can wrap it into part and that part. But this is not our type of topic that we are discussing. So let's suppose I want to give some space here. So as usual, most of developer gives space like this, size box, and provide height is 20. And just Control S, and it will give space. So we don't gonna use this size box. Over here we use size box, but not like this. We can use another way, and we can say, and we can check how we can use dynamically size. So let's get start, and I create a new dot file that the name is my extension. Okay, so first of all, I use here material. I just zoom in too far more big, and here the name of extension, my sizes, and here is num, and I just simply it. Okay, so extension, the name of this vertical space, okay, so it will suggest me this. Okay, what's the error going on? Okay, so we will return it. As usual, we using this. Okay, so it will that is side box get and the height of this, and it will suggest me. size. Okay, what's the going wrong with you? Action sized on num. Okay, so here we can forget to use a keyword that is on. If I use on it will go on this. Okay, so it will suggest me remove this that to double, and we can use width, and that is vertical space, the name of vertical space, and width, or you can use another name, horizontal space. Okay, so these are extensions, and we are going to our home page, and first of all I have to control S it. Okay, so I have to install it, restart it again. As you see, as usual, it going on top of the. What if I want to give some static space? So I just provide here, instead of using the like this size box, I just enter the value, how much I want to space, 20, like that, and I use vertical. First of all, I forget suggestion, and that is vertical space. So as you see, I just simply control this, it's going on space like this. If I want to something more value, instead of we calling again and again size box like this, we can use this these extension for our usage. Okay, so I give you another example of extension. Let's suppose I create it for dynamic. The name of dynamic size or media query, and we can get it instead of using, but here is not num, we can use build context. Okay, so that is it will return us double value, but we don't want that, like this size dot height dot width. We can we just need to be a let's suppose height, and I just return size get and the size media query of this. So if I want to get some size and dynamically sized and width of this, so we can start simply. I just used here a container, and the color of the colors dot pink. So I just simply control S and see how it's look like. Okay, so it will display us nothing, and we pass a child text. Okay, so the container. Okay, so it will be very small. If I want to give some size that is dynamic, half of the screen and like this, so I just simply without suggestion, I just simply height I first of all, I think I have to disable auto completion. Okay, so I just use context, that is our build context dot. Okay, where is context? That is we can use the name of we write extensions size. I just rename it. I call my size. So my size, and it will provide us height, and I just have to divide it 2. So it will give us dynamic height, that everything that we want. We don't need to call it media query. Media query, if I want to width, so I just have to give width. I just context dot my size dot width. As you see, I don't really need to call again and again. media query dot of context dot size dot height dot width. So instead of using calling again and again function, we can use extension that is little bit more help us to use. Thank you very much. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it to watch this kind of video, and it is very helpful to you to for better coding and practice. Thank you guys.